Today, we're going to work on opening our hips, and it will be a beginner-friendly routine. So if you are new to any hip openers, any stretching routines, this video is for you. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Anna Bendy, or welcome if you're new here. To remind you, I do have my Patreon account, and I would love to see you there. As a member, you get exclusive content, you get breakdowns of stretches and exercises to help you gain more knowledge and more experience. I post helpful tips and also personal advice. If you DM me, we can chat. You get community support from other members on there as well. It also helps me a lot. It supports the channel. So go ahead and click the link down below, and I cannot wait to see you there. Let's get into it. Thank you so much for watching this video and stretching with me this morning. I hope you got some helpful stuff out of the video. If so, go ahead and share it with somebody who might want to stretch with us as well. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Also, I'm starting a weekly newsletter from me where I would share helpful tips, flexibility advice, mindfulness about flexibility, and so much more. All I need is your email, and you get my free PDF guide for stretching as well. The link is down below, and I will see you soon.